was the workshop?
The overall workshop was very nice. The Space India platform has given an opportunity, along with the American Center. Together they have combined and given us the opportunity to come here and experience on-hands learning on spectroscopy. Today we learned what all metals are present in the sun and the stars. Does light really 100% just reflect, or does it transmit through the walls? We also learned many real-life concepts which we can tell our family and friends. We also had a very great discussion with the founder of Space India. Thank you.
Would you like to bring today's knowledge in the real life?
Yes, everything which we learned today was associated in some way or the other in real life. We can definitely share this experience with our friends, family or near ones. And we would also encourage Space India to take more initiatives like this.
Would you like to be part of the same workshop again in future?
Sure, I would like to be part of the same workshop or something better in which I have to teach my juniors in a similar manner.
Thank you so much.